In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a workspace in Slack using an invitation link. This process is quite simple and straightforward, so let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your email inbox. Specifically, look for the email that contains the Slack invitation link. This email is crucial because it's how you'll begin the joining process. If your inbox is crowded, it might be in your promotions or spam folder, so don't forget to check there if it doesn't show up immediately. Once you've located the email, open it up and look for the Join Slack button. This button is your gateway into the workspace, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking this will direct you to a new page where you can set up your display name for the Slack workspace. Your display name is important because it's how colleagues will recognize you within Slack. So take a moment to think about how you want to be identified, especially if other team members or colleagues already know you by a specific name. After entering your display name, you'll need to click on the Continue button to move forward. At this stage, you're prompted to verify that you're not a bot. This is a common security measure, and you can easily complete it by toggling the I'm not a robot checkbox. Sometimes you might need to complete a simple puzzle or select certain images to prove you're human. Just follow the prompts. Once that's done, click Continue again. Doing so will result in Slack sending you a confirmation code. Keep an eye on your email inbox, as you should soon receive this code. Open the email with the confirmation code and type it into the designated space on the Slack page. This step validates your identity and ensures that you're indeed the one requesting access to the workspace. Finally, you'll be given the option to access Slack through your browser. Click on Use Slack in your browser if you prefer to stay within the browser environment. This option is great if you're on the go or using a device where the desktop application isn't installed. And there you have it. You should now be successfully joined to your new Slack workspace and ready to communicate and collaborate with your team. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth transition into your new digital office space. Remember that being familiar with the platform can really enhance your productivity and keep you connected with your team. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to your IT support for additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new workspace environment.